Hello everyone. This video is discussing about presentation task 5. We are continuing the same paper. So let's start with task 5 now. Task 5 is presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. So if there is no question related to the layout of the slide, we must make sure that it is a title and bulleted list layout. Now question number 25, create a presentation of 8 slides using the file j2121tri.rtf. So we have to open this RTF file in PowerPoint. To do that, first we have to go to PowerPoint presentation, and through PowerPoint presentation software we have to open RTF file. Open a blank presentation, then go to file, open, then browse, and then open j2121tri.rtf. It is a rich text file format. We are opening through PowerPoint, so only PowerPoint presentations are available of the type. So change the type to all files and choose TRI and then click open. So now the slide is open, and then you can see 8 slides are there. Now the next question, on slide 1 enter your name after the text overview presented by. So move to slide number 1 and click after overview presented by, and then type your name, then save. Make sure to save after each question. I'm going to save it here in my folder. Now next question, use a master slide to display the following features: automatic slide number on the top right, your name, center number and candidate number. Make sure that master slide item appears in the same position on every slide. There is no overlap of any slide. So for that we have to go to view tab. This is normal view, so go to view tab, click on slide master. Now I am on the last layout, which is title and text layout, but they have mentioned clearly that whatever we are applying in the master slide must appear on every slide. If I do any change on this layout, only this layout will have the change, but not for all the layouts. So whenever you do some changes in the master slide, make sure that we are on the first slide. If we do any change in this first slide, it will be applied onto every layout. So make sure that we are clicking on the first slide, and now we have to give this automatic slide number and name, sender number, candidate number. So we can see that there is a date here, there is an option to footer. Now this hash key represents slide number, but in our normal view these are not visible, so we have to enable it by going to insert tab and then header and footer. Now we can see here the slide option is available. Date and time is not needed, so I'm not going to enable it. I'm going to enable slide number, and I'm going to enable footer, and then I'm going to type the name, center number and candidate number in the footer, then apply to all. Now it was mentioned that automatic slide number should be on the top right, so select this automatic slide number and drag it to the top right of the slide. And footer, there is no specific position for the footer, so we can just leave it as such. So question number 26 is done. Now question number 27, delete the slides with the titles history of triathlons and super sprint triathlon. So we can go back to the normal views. This is master view. To go back to the normal view, click on view and then normal view. Now you can see the slide number is visible here, and then the footer. If you move to the second one also, you can see the same thing. Now we have to delete this slide history of triathlons. Right click and delete, and then we have to delete super sprint triathlon. Right click and delete. Now total we have 6 slides. Now question number 28, use the data in the file j2121partake.csv to create a pie chart to compare participation by age group for triathlon only. So we have to create a pie chart by making use of the source folder J2121 partake, and we have to make a pie chart. This is an age group table. We can see sport item are recorded in the row, and columns are for age group, and we have to make a pie chart by age group for triathlon only for triathlon we have to do it. So select only triathlon, then insert tab, then choose pie chart, go for the basic pie chart. So this is the pie chart. The pie chart is available. Now we will continue with the questions and then finish it. Now label the chart with the title triathlon registration by age. So change this title to triathlon registration by age. Next, format the chart to display only percentages and age groups as sector labels. Position these labels outside each chart sector. Do not display a legend. So first I am going to remove this legend. The legend must be removed. Now these are sectors. Each shapes are sectors. Now we have to show the age group. Till now we didn't add age group, we added only the values. The age group also we have to show, as well as we have to show the percentage of each number. So first we will show the age group. So click on the chart, right click on the chart, and you get the option select data. Click on select data. Now we selected triathlon, but we didn't select the sectors, the name of the sector. It is by default 1 2 3 4. So click on edit, and they are asking us to choose the axis label range, which means the sector names. So select from age less than 18 to age 55, because we have 4 sectors. So each 4 sector is having a different name, so we have to select that range. Then click OK. Now we have to make it visible along with the percentage. For that, select the chart, go to design tab, and click on add chart elements, data labels. Now for the older version, if you select the chart, there will be another tab called layout. Inside the layout you will get the option of data labels. Go to data labels and go for more data label option, and we need category name, which means the sector name, but we don't need value, but instead we need percentage, and it should be outside because it is mentioned in the question paper. Position these labels outside each sector. So that's all we have to do. Now next question, emphasize the age group with the largest percentage by pulling only this sector away from the other age group. So out of these 4 sectors, this is the largest one. We have to pull the largest one away from the other 3 sectors. To do that, first we have to click on the largest sector. When we click for one time, all the sectors are selected. Click again one more time, so only the largest sector is selected. Now click and drag it so that it is pulled away from the other 3 sectors. Now place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title market analysis. Make sure that all data is fully visible with no overlap. So first I am going to save this file. Now I am going to copy this chart and go to the slide, and then I have to paste it on the slide market analysis. So market analysis is the second slide. I have to paste it on the left side of the bullet point. So first I have to reduce the bulleted points, select the bulleted points and then reduce it almost to half. Then I have to paste the chart and then adjust it so that it is properly visible. Okay, now apply the sound file j2121 cheer.wav to the slide with the title Ironman Triathlon, so the sound plays automatically as the slide appears. So we have to go to the slide Ironman Triathlon, so that is the 6th slide. Here I have to apply, or I have to insert an audio file which is provided in the source folder. So go to insert tab and then audio. audio on my PC, or you may get audio from file. You have to browse it from the source folder. Go to desktop, new folder, grade 9. This is my folder, and J2121 here is there. Insert. Now the sound file is inserted. Now it was mentioned that it must be played automatically. Now by default it will be on click. So to do automatically, choose the sound file, go to this playback tab, and there we can find start on click. That is by default. Choose automatically. Now evidence 9, place in your evidence document screenshot to show the sound is set to play automatically. So I have to take the screenshot of this, so I'm using snipping tool for it, and I'm taking this screenshot. Let me open the evidence file. And this is evidence 9. Copy and paste. So evidence 9 is finished. Now save the presentation. Print slides 1, 2, 3, 4 only as handouts, with 2 slides to the page, each slide filling the half of the page. So to take that printout, first you have to save the file, then go to file, print. We have to print only 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to give custom range 1, 2, 3, 4, not full pages. We have to print 2 slides in a page. So this is the first page and this is the second page, and then we can take the printout. And then by the end, task 6, we have to print the evidence document. Make sure the name, sender number and candidate number is there in your evidence document. So that's all for paper June 2021 paper 2-1. Thank you.